Welcome. If you want to change keyboard language in your E63S AMG, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the system and go for controls. Oh, sorry, I just misclick. We have to go for the keyboards and hand rating. Click to select keyboards. And as you can see right now, we are able to activate different languages. Currently I set up English, but if you want to get, for example, Deutsch, so tap like that and it will be activated. You can also turn off English, for example. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.